Inside the Forest, Swordfern by Elisa Kadama. Forests cover about a third of our world's land area and are an incredible source of biodiversity for our ecosystems. They soak up carbon dioxide, release oxygen, which offsets air pollution. Each year, forest ecosystems are estimated to take in 2.6 gigatons of carbon from the environment. Pictured here is the top of the forest, or the forest canopy, home to many birds. There are many different types of forests. Here we see a coastal forest that might be found on the western coast of the U.S. In a dense forest like this, only about 5% of sunlight can reach the forest floor. This one's rich with trees like Douglas fir, western hemlock, and Sitka spruce. At the forest floor, there is less vegetation and habitat opportunities for fungi, chipmunks, or deer. This is where our plant, Polystichum munitum, commonly known as the sword fern, begins to grow. The characteristic feature of this fern type is how the fronds grow from a central point, creating a crown. Also, the pinna, or leaflets, are alternating on the stalk. Ferns are actually a group of plants that don't use seeds to grow. Instead, they are vascular and have spores that are self-fertilized into sporophytes. It can take around 6 months for fronds to emerge from the soil at all. Here we see a single pinna and the stalk. Water travels up the stalk through the internal xylem, delivering water and nutrients in the plant. The orange spores located in clusters are called sorus and can be used to minimize pain from stinging metal. A spore falls to the floor, sprouts an archegonium, self-fertilizes and develops a root network or rhizome to create a new fern, which will then sprout into a fiddlehead or baby fern, and then into a new sword fern. This cycle of growth continues while the rest of the forest ecosystem is also in continuous growth and decay.